Yeah, my name is Srikanth Reddy Samidi. Yeah, I'm the Joint Managing Director for Sagar Cements Limited. Yeah, we have been in cement manufacturing for over 45 years. Yeah, we have been associated with the Volvo Construction Equipment for over 7 years. Yeah, we are extremely happy with the relationship that we have had, primarily because the quality of the equipment helps us in safety aspects as well as the environment aspects. Yeah, we have been using the loaders as well as the excavators along with the trucks, and the product portfolio has helped us on the overall kind of fuel efficiency. Yeah, we did replace some of the other equipment, though Volvo equipment was expensive, but we are extremely happy with the overall cost of ownership for the relationship that we have had with the Volvo so far. Our interest in Volvo emanates from the fact that the service experience has been phenomenal. The local network, especially with the local dealers and also the service agents, has been phenomenal, I would put it. The downtime has been absolutely minimal. They actually keep on updating us on the newer things that are happening, and we could also help in providing the lot of training to our own field staff, which helped us minimize the maintenance cost as well as huge savings because of the increase in productivity. I cannot suggest many upgrades. Yeah, we've had an experience, or rather where we were informed of the new equipment as a service kind of a solution. We were very excited. At this point of time, we are definitely evaluating those service solutions, but we would probably take time trying to evaluate for our newer opportunities, or rather greenfield, since there is an establishment right now. Yeah, we definitely would like to look at this solution for a new greenfield plant which we are about to come up with. Yeah, as I mentioned, we were extremely happy with the Volvo equipment, primarily because of the technical advancements that it has always demonstrated, which also is aligned with our own group initiative that we are into the sustainability, and we intend to become carbon neutral by 2050, and we do have an aggressive target by 2030. By adopting to the e-mobility, we believe we could also significantly cut the overall kind of carbon footprint, and we are definitely looking at Volvo as a company to help us achieve these targets. From an expectations perspective, yeah, we do believe that Volvo would come up with something which should help us not only cut the emissions, but also help us become a lot more cost efficient. We do think that they could help us trying to come up with an equipment which could consume biodiesel with a higher blend of green fuels, and at the same time also come up with the overall kind of array of mining equipment where we could make use of them with minimizing the carbon footprint or eliminate it completely by having an electrical part of it, or rather the E side of the business itself. And we strongly would want Volvo to come up with the entire spectrum of the mining equipment, which would help us fulfill the entire mining equipment from a single house, which is Volvo. That's what is our wish list. As a company aspires to be efficient as well as green, so part of that, we strongly think that digitalization, the connectivity, the management of equipment to help us achieve these targets, and we definitely are counting on support from Volvo on these initiatives fairly quickly, and that too in India. Yeah, one of the biggest disruptor in our business is the environment impacts, and this as I mentioned earlier, we would be extremely happy if we could get into the e-mobility as well as digitalization. It not only would not save the cost, but also would help enhance the technical skill. And in these initiatives, we are very happy that government has been pushing hard with incentives like there is no road tax or the life tax pertaining to these equipment. So given this support, we expect Volvo to come with all these e-mobile solutions as quickly as possible into the Indian